Clear.
4215 and departures 186, 905 Delta.
95 Delta, runway 16 at taxiway Charlie, clear for takeoff. Turn right heading 190.
Tri-Cities Airport. Automated weather observation 1410 Zulu.
We're gonna head over to the practice area and then I'm gonna drop my instructor off back at the airport and go do maneuver solo for the first time. So let's go fly.
Air 95 Delta, contact departure, good morning.
Going departure, have a good day, 95 Delta. Binghamton departure, good morning, SAC 73905 Delta's 2.3, climbing 2.5, heading 190.
SAC 73905 Delta, Binghamton departure, good morning, we're contact, climb and maintain, maintain VFR, proceed on course.
VFR on course, 95 Delta. Yeah, I got the airport. In departure, 905 Delta has Tri-Cities in sight.
SAC 73905 Delta, roger, radar service are terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change is approved, have a good day.
VFR frequency change approved, 905 Delta, we'll talk to you soon. Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta's 5 miles to the north, we're going to be a straight in for runway 21, Tri-Cities. Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta's on a 3 mile straight in final for runway 21, we're going to be a full stop, Tri-Cities.
2 miles, so you should be so you should be at 1,400 feet right here.
Yeah.
Still high, Luke.
I know. There we go.
All right, much better. All right, that looks like runway 21. You got people on the right side looking at you. Oh yeah, they're watching you land. They're stopping. Very nice, Luke. Hold that nose off just a tad. There you go. Nicely done. Power at idle?
Yep. Off at Charlie. Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta is clear runway 21. We're going to the fuel pumps, Tri-Cities.
Okay.
Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta is taxiing runway 3. We're going to be a left turn now, Tri-Cities. For takeoff, radios are set. I got Binghamton in there. Transponders, squawking altitude. Flaps are up. Mixtures, best power. Lights are on. Heartbeat's cold. Time 9:11. Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta is taking runway 3. We're going to be a left turn out to the northwest, Tri-Cities. Clear final. Clear left. Just to the floor. Takeoff power set. Engine instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive. There's 60 knots. Rotate. And we will go once we get to 2,200 feet. Tri-Cities traffic, SAC 73905 Delta just off of runway 3, exiting the airspace to the north. Last call, Tri-Cities. Turn those top 2 off. Binghamton approach, hello again, Skyhawk 73905 Delta just off of Tri-Cities, 1.5, climbing 3.5, direct the Binghamton VOR.
SAC 73905 Delta, Binghamton departure, ident.
Ident, 905 Delta. Alright.
SAC 905 Delta, radar contact, 1 mile north of Tri-Cities, maintain VFR, proceed on course.
VFR on course, 905 Delta. Alright, so VFR on course, this is giving us about a 340 heading, which is what I'm on. 2,500 feet. We'll look for traffic. No traffic. I see the VORs right in front of me. Zone of confusion means we're about to cross. Alright, there's my from indication. I'm going to turn to a heading a west, 3,500. I'm going to go to the left first, so no traffic. .30 degrees back pressure. Right there, hold this. Sight picture. Looking for about 20 degrees before to recover. There. There's my bump. Overshot it a little bit. Alright, get situated back on a west heading.
For those of you who may be wondering what I'm talking about when I say there's my bump, I'm referring to hitting my own wake. I'm hitting the wake from my prop when I complete my full 360
heading.
turn.
Clear right. More back pressure. Good sight picture. Start to roll out here. There's my bump, 2 for 2. Alright. There's that. So let's clear that message and let's turn back to Tri-Cities. Not bright enough just yet for sunglasses, but if it were, I'd be covered from our friends at Flying Eyes. Link in description. Use code LukeP for 10% off. And approach Skyhawk 73905 Delta. We are returning to Tri-Cities. I'm going to pick up my instructor, and then we'll be coming back to Binghamton.
Skyhawk 905 Delta, roger. Remain on your presence. Squawk radar services are terminated. Frequency changes approved.
Tri-Cities traffic, Skyhawk 73905 Delta is 4.5 miles to the north. We're going to be entering a left base runway 3, Tri-Cities.
Cinder Lake, Mooney's turning base, runway 19er, Cinder Lake.
Police for traffic, 895, about 1 mile to the west. We're going to enter the 45 for downwind, runway 28, Police for.
Got my airport in sight. We'll go ahead and put our second notch of flaps in there. Get our final notch of flaps in. Blow us down. Tri-Cities traffic, Skyhawk 73905 Delta is turning final for runway 3, Tri-Cities. Alright. Lights, carpet, flaps, I see runway 3. $60 knots, that's the last time I'm looking. Up. Tri-Cities traffic, Skyhawk 73905 Delta is clear of runway 3, going to FBO, Tri-Cities.
If you enjoyed what you saw, consider subscribing and dropping a like on this video. Until next week, I want you to keep that airspeed alive and fly safe. We'll see you in the next video.